Hi guys, welcome to Maneuver NPAT 2020 10 days video. So just 10 days are left for the exam. So what should be your preparation strategy so that you end up with the good score basically. So guys, very important, do write the mock test, which is very important before you write actual NPAT exam. So writing mock test is very important guys. So in this video I'll be telling you how to attempt the mock test and what are the parameters you should consider while writing the mock test and after the mock test. Moving forward, if you have not started writing the mock test, you can join our mock test program. There are 76 topic tests and 3 full-length mock series. Also, if you are weak in any particular section, so you can join sectional courses. Also, for example, if you are weak in English, then you can join the English courses. If you are weak in logic, then you can go for the logic, and likewise quant also. But if you want combination of all these programs, then there is a full course NPAT mini course which cover your all the video lectures based on your quant, English and reasoning. So you can join this mini course also guys, and there is a ebooks for the practice purpose. So all these programs are available on manuedu.com/BBA entrance. Same link I have given in the description guys, so kindly check the description, and for any session you can contact to this number. Next is how you should look mock test guys. So while you're writing the mock test, you should always be with this attitude: snatch and run strategy. For example, you have studied your mock test and first section you have studied with the English, logic, and last is quant. Basically this is what my way of thinking about the NPAT exam. So it varies from individual to individual. For example, if you like LR first, then you can start with the LR, then English, then quant. But do remember guys, don't keep English in the last, otherwise you will lose marks in your English section. You won't be able to attempt the English section because English is the area which you cannot attempt in the pressure, and if you keep it in the last, so in the last moment you will be in the pressure guys. So that time it will be high chance that you will not be reading the entire data properly and lack of the understanding part, and after then ultimately you will mark the wrong answer. So English idle time 30 minutes, logic idle time 30 minutes, and quant 40 minutes. This is what the time breakup I give to all my students: 30 30 40. Now in 30 also you have to go for the phase 1. Phase 1, go for the all easy questions, then go for the phase 2. So all this section you have to attempt in terms of the phases. Likewise logic, phase 1 easy question, phase 2 moderate and tough question. Quant, phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. Quant, phase 1 easy question, phase 2 moderate, and phase 3 go for the smart guess guys, because for tough question you anyway planning to leave, but don't leave, you have to go for the smart guess. So same strategy you have to follow in your mock test and for each section: logic, English and quant. So this is what the THIP strategy guys, snatch and run strategy. And very important, be alert guys, don't mark your answer randomly guys. Tukka and matka will not help you to score good marks, though there is a negative marking. Then too, it is always important, go for the elimination method. So elimination method is very important. Smart guess, this is nothing but you have to go for the smart guess. So in your smart guess, which is nothing but the elimination method, always you will boil down to 2 options. So out of 2 options, if you will choose one option, so there is a 50% probability that your question will get right basically. But out of 4 options, if you mark randomly, tukka and matka if you apply, then 1/4 is the probability guys, which is not advisable. Okay, so you have to play smartly guys next 100 minutes which is there in your NPAT examination. So while you're writing the maneuver mock test, that time you have to implement all the strategy guys which I am telling you as of now. So ideal score, one should target at least 80 plus marks out of 120, so that you will end up with the best campus of NMIMS. And this is pretty much possible looking at 10 days are remaining for the exam. If you watch all the video lecture from your NPAT mini course, and if you have done all the topic practice. So recently I have made one video, 15 days planning. If you have not watched that video, kindly go and watch that video. In that I have given you the proper strategy, what are the topic you have to prepare in next remaining days. So guys, next 10 days will define whether you will be in or out for your goal basically, which is nothing but the NMIMS campus. Alright, so make sure guys you should devote your 100% in next 10 days, because exam will surely gonna to happen on your 18th and 22nd of May. This is very much clear guys. Alright guys, so online program link I have given in the description, so you can check the description. Do write the mock test without fail guys. If you go for the NPAT exam without writing the mock test, it is almost like putting yourself into the trap guys. Alright, so make sure you should appear for a couple of mock tests and do prepare particular section if you are weak in. But if you have not yet started, then go for the full course program NPAT mini course. All the very best for your preparation guys. Thank you.